your bow, like make a slip knot, hold it, then place your hook, then make a twist, then hold it from this side, from here, then make a chain and tight it, then chain 63. Took the yarn, place it from the chain, like take the yarn and pull over this from the loop. We have to make 63 chains. Took yarn, pull from the chain, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 63. Make a chain of 63 stitches, means a chain. Then we have to make 6 half double crochet in this chains, starting with take the yarn and don't leave any chain. Make it in the 63rd chain, then pull the yarn from the chain, then you have 3 loops and pull the yarn from this 3 loops, which means 1 half double crochet done. Again, took the yarn, insert in the chain, pull it from the chain, then we have 3 chains, pull the yarn from this 3 chains 6 times. Again, six half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6 slip stitch, which means insert the yarn, insert the hook, pull the yarn, then pull the yarn from the chain. Insert the hook in the chain, pull over the yarn, then pull the yarn from this chain. Again 6 times. One, two, three, four, five, 6. 6 SC. Then 16 half double crochet. Take the yarn, insert in the hook, insert in the this chain, pull over the yarn, then pull over the yarn from this 3 stitches. 1. Again, insert the hook, pull over the yarn, then pull the yarn from this 3 chains. Insert the yarn, pull over the yarn, then pull the yarn from this 3 chains. Repeat until you get 16 half double crochet. Now completed 16 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here is our 16 half double crochet. Then 16 slip stitch in the next chain. 6. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, then pull the yarn from this chain. 6 slip stitch, insert the hook, pull the yarn, then pull the yarn from this chain. Here is 6. Here is 6 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 16 half double crochet again. Take the yarn, insert in the chain, pull over the yarn, then pull over the yarn from these 3 chains 16 times. Half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 slip stitch in the next chains. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, and then pull the yarn from the chain. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, then pull the yarn from this chain for 6 times. Then in the last 6 chains we have to make 6 half double crochet. Take the yarn, insert in the chain, pull over the yarn, then pull over the yarn from these 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chain 1 and turn your walk. Here is our first row with this pattern, and repeat the pattern again in second row, but in back loop, not in front loop. We have to make in back loop. This is the front loop, this is the back loop. Then make a 6 half double crochet in the back loop. Insert the yarn in back stitch. This is back stitch. Then pull the yarn from this 3 chains. Six times. Insert the hook in the chain. Then pull over the yarn from this 3. 6 half double crochet and back stitch, then 6 slip stitch in the back stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here is 6 half double 6 slip stitch, then 16 half double crochet and back stitch. Take the yarn, insert in the stitch, pull over the yarn, then pull over the yarn from this 3 chains. Repeat until you get 16 chains. Then after 16 half double crochet, 6 slip stitch, insert the hook, pull over the yarn, then pull over the yarn from this chain. 1 slip stitch, then 16 half double crochet in the next chains. Insert the hook and then pull over the yarn from these 3 chains. Repeat for 16 chains. 2, in the next 6 stitch we have to make slip stitch. In the next last 6 stitch we have to make slip stitch knot, half double crochet. Took the yarn, place in the chain, then pull over the yarn from this 3 chains for 6 times. 2, 3, that's it. Here is our second row using the same pattern. We have to make 2 more rows, 3 and 4, using the same pattern in back loop, not in front loop. Make it chain 1 and walk in back loop. 5 rows using the same pattern in back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the end make a chain 1 and cut off the yarn and make it tight. Here is our ready. Then just secure the ends with this. Just securing the tail. Cut off the left yarn and also this. Just secure it. The finishing. And just the last step to make the bow, like this and this and this end. We have 3 slip stitch ends. Secure it like this. Here is our little bow. Now just wing center of this 2 bow rings, make it equal. It's very easy but little bit take times. So tie a knot. Multiple times because securing is the best thing to make your things reliable and long lasting. Cut off the yarn and secure it by like this. Insert the hook and both ends pull the yarn, pull the both tails from the hook, so it will be secure for now. Without any needle you can do it with your hook. Cut the left yarn. It's done. Here is our cute bow ready. Little bit puffy, so make it like this. Here is our bow ready. You can use it as a keychain or use it as a hair clip by inserting a clip here. So it's a very cute hair accessory to make you a very cute bouquet and all, and make it in different colors, especially like a girly vibe, you know. Okay, so I hope you understood the process of it, pattern of it, and just make it. It's very cute. And also remember, patience and practice makes a man perfect. Hope this will help you. See you soon with another one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.